Alright guys, I haven't uploaded in a while, so figured I'd give you a quick walkthrough and let you know what I've been doing here on this job. So happy Saturday morning to y'all that are watching when this video drops. This is a 22 by 22 garage. It's an attached garage. So everything is 16 inches on center because it needs to be framed like living space. This has a stiff back up top, king post collar ties, every 4 feet on those. I'll climb up there in a second and show you what's going on there. This is a fire job if you've been watching some of my stories on here, or I think maybe on Instagram. I've been posting about this, but the garage burned and now we're rebuilding it. We're going bigger. Got a new slab. I didn't do the slab. The concrete guy did the slab. Actually, the concrete guy is the general contractor on this one, so I'm working for him. It says way more overbuilt than a normal standalone garage, which you guys see me build quite often. Let me take you inside and show you what's going on. There's more to this job than just the garage. A lot of smoke and fire damage here in this utility room. So this whole ceiling, joists, rafters, and then there's rafters again. This was built over somehow. I haven't even been up there to really see exactly what's going on. See, there's the original peak, the original roof structure. And then if you come over here, you can see there's another roof up there. That's all coming down and getting reframed all the way across to that section right there, which is then the living space. So it's a lot going on here. And I'm kind of doing this as fill-in work. So weekend stuff. I confess I have not been building this on my own. My buddy that used to build with me that I've worked with quite a bit did another video where we did a garage a year or so ago. That's on the channel, you can check that out. He's been helping me, and actually it is Friday evening right now and I'm getting ready to get out of here on this job and meet him to go do another job this weekend because I'm stupid. I keep taking on too many. That's kind of neat looking up there. Anyway, I'm stupid and I keep taking on too many projects and I'm getting booked. But Memorial Day is coming up and I'm probably not going to work I'm probably not going to work all of Memorial Day weekend. I'll probably end up doing something, working on something. Let's go up top and climb up there and show you what it looks like up there. All right, I've got a stiff back here. It's not just a stringer or a what people call a rat run. It's a stiff back because it has the vertical 2x on it. You can see it gets all of your joists in plane. This is not slated to have drywall. It doesn't need it, but if it were to get drywall, it's all set and ready for that. And it should get 5/8. It should be fire code being on a garage like this. So stiff back, then you lay out all your joists, and they're all ran in with structural screws to draw everything up nice and tight. That block is spanning the seam because I didn't have a 22-foot 2x4 to use. King posts, collar ties. All you guys that have been building for the last 95 years, you can chime in the comments and let me know how it's all wrong and it won't pass, blah, 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 blah. Bring it on. We can have that conversation. Anyway, that roof structure over there is going to end up valleying on here. I've got videos about that too. You guys can go check those out. All right, I'm getting out of here. I got to get to the other job. We're going to put fence in, fence panels, you know, 8 foot, 6 foot, I'm assuming, panels. I'll probably put some pictures on Instagram or here on YouTube. Anyway, I got to go, and I will catch up with you guys next time. I swear there's going to be long form content. It's coming. I just need some time to actually edit. I'll see you guys later.